So in chapter 2, we are going to learn the concepts which are quite helpful to revise the things. In which the first one is finding solution. Okay. As you know, finding solution means finding the value of the variable. Value of a variable. So the questions will come like solve, find the value of x. I want to give you an example. Look, solve x by 3 plus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay, solve x by 3 plus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2. As you know, as a first step, what you will do, you will take this constant term to the other side. So this x by 3 will be as it is. X by 3 is equal to, on the other side we have minus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2. If we transpose to the other side, it will become minus 5 by 2. So x by 3 is equal to, being the common denominator, you can directly take it as 2. So minus 3 minus 5. Please be careful with the signs. They only usually make you to get the wrong answers. So x by 3 is equal to minus 8 by 2. X by 3 is equal to minus 8 by 2 because minus 3 minus 5 minus 8. So x by 3 is equal to, we have a chance of cancellation here, 2 1s are 2 4s are minus 4. See, this 3 is in multiplication with x. If we transpose, 3 is in division with x. So if we transpose to the other side, it will become multiplication. X is equal to minus 4 into 3. So 4 3s are 12 minus 12. So the value of x is going to be minus 12. Okay. So this is the first topic of solving for a variable. Now let us move to another method. So let us check some applications pointing to this linear equation with an example problem. Look, what should be added to twice of, what should be added to twice the rational number, minus 7 by 3 to get 3 by 7. Okay, what should be added to twice the rational number minus 7 by 3 to get 3 by 7? Look, understanding question is quite important for this type of problems. So what should be added to what we have to add? Twice the rational number. Minus 7 by 3. That means here they gave, there is a rational number minus 7 by 3. If we double it, because twice means double, isn't it? And to it, what we have to add to get 3 by 7. Okay. Look, let us write it in terms of mathematical statements. We don't know what to be added. Okay. So let x is the number to be added. Let x is the number to be added. Now keep this thing aside. Twice the rational number according to problem. twice of minus 7 by 3 is equal to 2 into minus 7 by 3, because twice means 2 into minus 7 by 3. So what it will be equal to? Minus 14 by 3, because 2 sevens are 14, plus into minus is minus. Minus 14 by 3. Now what should be added to? We took that what as x. Therefore x plus minus 14 by 3 to get is equal to 3 by 7. Okay. Now once we are done with the statement process, regular calculation, plus into minus, minus 14 by 3 is equal to 3 by 7. So x is equal to minus 14 by 3. If we transpose to the other side, it will become plus 14 by 3. Okay. Next, x is equal to the LCM of 7 and 3, 21. 7 how many times is 21? 3 times. 3 into 3, 9. 3 how many times is 21? 7. 7 14s. Okay, 28, 98. Okay, so I'm continuing here. X is equal to, okay, 9 plus 8, 17. 107 by 21. Okay, so 107 by 21. So 107 by 21 should be added to twice of the rational number minus 7 by 3 to get 3 by 7. For the writing problems, understanding question is very important rather than the solution. So please read question 2 to 3 times in order to get the answer. Now I want to show you another example, which is an application pointing to linear equations. So please follow carefully. Okay, check the question. The present age of Sahil's mother is, so there are two persons, namely Sahil and Sahil's mother. So the relation is given between the age of Sahil and Sahil's mother. So the present age of Sahil's mother is 3 times the present age of Sahil. So what we can understand is Sahil's mother age is dependent on the age of Sahil. So let us make a table. For example, so we have two persons. So persons, present age, age after 5 years. After 5 years. Look. So the first person is Sahil. They didn't specify anything about their ages. So the present age of Sahil, for example, let us take X years. Then the present age of Sahil's mother will be, further they gave the condition that if Sahil's age is going to be X, the age of Sahil's mother is 3 times his age. That means 3x. 3 times means 3 multiplied by x. Now, after 5 years, Sahil is after 5 years means x plus 5. Then 3x plus 5. Okay, because both the ages were increased to 5 years. Okay, so before actually you solve this kind of problems, first follow the explanation given for exercise problems, then try to solve examples given in textbook. Look, now read from here. After 5 years, their ages. So after 5 years, what are their ages? X plus 5 and 3x plus 5 will add to 66 years. That means they gave that x plus 5, age of Sahil after 5 years, plus, the reason why I took plus is add to 3x plus 5, age of Sahil's mother after 5 years is equal to 66. Now, like terms x 3x 4x plus 5 10 is equal to 66. So 4x, if we transpose plus 10 to the other side, it will become minus 10. So 4x will be equal to 66 minus 10, 56. The value of x is going to be 56 by 4. Okay, 4 ones are 4, 4s are 16. The value of x we got is 14. Now look. What exactly they asked is find their present ages. Look, what is the present age of Sahil? Therefore, present age of Sahil is equal to, what is the present age of Sahil? X. And we got the value of x as 14. So 14 years. And present age of Sahil's mother. Sahil's mother is equal to 3x. Present age 3x. That means 3 into 14. 42 years. Okay. This is the way how we have to solve this kind of problems. Now let us move to another model. Okay. Check the question. The difference between two numbers is 66 and their ratio is 2:5. What are the numbers? So they didn't specify anything about the numbers except the ratio. So given ratio is equal to, given ratio of numbers is equal to 2:5. Then their values, that means ratio, when we take as values, it will be equal to 2x and 5x. Okay. So we are going to assume the numbers are going to be 2x and 5x. Now look, the difference between the two numbers. Difference means, as I always say, we have to subtract smaller from bigger. Therefore, 5x minus 2x is, the difference between two numbers is equal to 66. So being the like terms, 5x minus 2x gives us 3x is equal to 66. 3 is in multiplication with x, so if we transpose it to the other side, it will go to division. 3 ones are 3, 22s are. We got the value of x as 22. Okay. If that is the case, they asked us what are the numbers. Therefore, the numbers are, first is 2x. That means 2 into, what is the value of x? 22, which is equal to 44. And the other number is 5x, which is equal to 5 into 22, which is 110. Hope you are clear. So these are one of the important models. Now let us move to the next one. So the next concept, which is the very recent concept which you have learned, when the variable is on both the sides, that means if the variable is on both LHS and RHS, how to solve? I want to give an example for this. So the given problem is 5x plus 7 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2x minus 14. As a first step, what you will do? First we have to bring like terms to one side. Plus 3 by 2, if we transpose to the LHS or to the other side, it will become minus 3 by 2x is equal to, we already have minus 14. So plus 7 by 2, if we transpose to the other side, it will become minus 7 by 2. Okay. So plus 7 by 2, if we transpose to the other side, it will become minus 7 by 2. Now look, here 5 is not carrying any denominator. So in that case, if we take the LCM for these two, which is going to be 2. 1 how many times is 2? 2 times. So 2 into 5x, 10x minus 2 how many times is 2? 1 time. So 3x will come as it is equal to, here also we don't have any denominator. So let us take it as 1. LCM of 1 and 2, again 2. 1 how many times is 2? 2 times. 2 into minus 14, minus 28, minus 2 how many times is 2? 1. 1 into 7, 7. So now 10x minus 3x, 7x by 2 is equal to minus 28 minus 7, minus 35 by 2. Okay. This 2 and this 2 will get cancelled, because if we transpose this 2 which is in division, it will become multiplication. So 2 ones are 2 ones are. The leftover terms are 7x is equal to minus 35. So x is equal to minus 35 divided by 7, because 7 is in multiplication. 7 ones are 7 fives are. X is equal to minus 5. So hope you are clear with this. This ends up the revision topics for chapter 2.